Hi, I'm Adam, and I was just skiing on the new Blizzard Brahma CA. Give this ski 4 out of 5 stars. Makes a great ski for that strong intermediate to mellow or lightweight expert who wants something really snappy and poppy into and out of a turn. 88 millimeters underfoot and Blizzard's carbon flip core really makes the ski loaded with energy, stable at medium to fast speeds. The rocker and the tip and the waist width really give it a nice, easy turn shape. It pounds very well through the bumps at both fast and slow speeds, and it was very easy to control. 4 out of 5 stars.